Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by making a versatile dumpling dough. Combine 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup water, and 1/2 teaspoons salt in a bowl. Mix until a shaggy mass forms, then knead 6 to 8 minutes until smooth and slightly elastic. Cover and rest the dough 20 minutes to relax the gluten, which makes rolling easier. Meanwhile, arrange tools: a rolling pin, a 2-inch round cutter for wrappers, a bench scraper, and a lightly floured work surface to prevent sticking. Make the filling by shredding 2 cups green cabbage very thin, then add 1/2 cup finely chopped scallions and 1 grated carrot if desired for color. Toss with 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon ground white pepper. Let the mixture sit 10 minutes, then press and squeeze out as much liquid as possible until you have roughly 1 cup of packed filling. Excess moisture will break the wrappers during cooking. Fold in 1 beaten egg to bind if you prefer a firmer filling. Divide rested dough into 18 equal pieces, roll each into a 1/2-inch ball and flatten into a 2-inch circle about 1/16 inch thick. Place 1 teaspoon of filling in the center, fold and pleat to seal, ensuring no air pockets. For pan frying, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a non-stick skillet, arrange dumplings flat, sear 2 minutes until bottoms brown, add 1/4 cup water, cover and steam 4 to 6 minutes until cooked through. Serve immediately with a dipping sauce of 1
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.